Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to No Hype Garage. Here we got the F30 with the lean bank system 1. Common issue with this is going to be the PCV valve. It's right here. So I already took this one off. So the diaphragm here rips. This one's pretty bad. And then it leaks air. And that causes too much air in your system, and it's gonna cause you that lean bank. So pretty much you want to just pop off this cover. There's a clip there, left, right. This comes off. Sometimes you have a foam pad, but there's the PCV valve right here. It comes off really easy. So it sits in like this pretty much. Pop it off. You got the diaphragm right here. Mine's ripped. I swapped it out already. But there's pretty much these tabs over here. Let's see if we can get it in. Right here, right here, right here. So it goes all around. And you just pry it off with a screwdriver. And it comes off, swap it out. They sell these kits, 15 bucks. Usually you'll want to change out the whole valve cover, because if you inspect it, there could be leaks, oil leaks, cracks. These are very common. It's made out of plastic to leak. So you would want to inspect that. The PCV valve goes down to the tubing here. Sometimes those leak and crack. You could inspect that. Also comes from the mass airflow system. After that, the sensor, it could have an intake leak over there, down there. But just for video purposes, we're gonna usually, it's a common thing for the F30s to have the diaphragm. Just gets brittle, the rubber breaks, and so you swap that out. If you have any questions, drop down the comments below, see if it fixed it for you guys, and like and subscribe.